just going out to the river now. We got the motorbikes loaded up and see when we get out there. So we're just here at the river now, just fishing in this little spot over here. Just put the shrimp net in over there and get back to when we get some bites. So we're just getting a few bites. Might hook up a little fish right here. Okay, he's going to pick and he's biting it. When he picks it up and swims with it, I'll try and hook him. Got one. Okay, we've got a nice fish on. Okay, I'll get back to you when we get it in. Okay, we have a big European carp. Since these aren't native to Australia, we have to kill them. He's a pretty big one, so I'll get back to you when we get him. So we got him in, we didn't lose him, good job. So we got ourselves a nice big stinky old carp. I'll say it again, that we can't keep him in our water, so we can't let him go. So we've got to kill him. So just bring him up to the top of the bank and just throw him. He's actually a pretty big one, this one. That's my shoe comparison to it.
Swirl.
Yeah. See you when we cast back in. Okay, we're just going to flick in right now. Got a shrimp on. About 5 4 feet deep in here. And that's jumping on the bank as well, so not passing too far out. And yeah, just see you when we get another fish. Getting bites right here. Oh, you see it? See the rod tip? See them bites? Ooh. Hopefully he swims in it. And we'll get back to it when we go down. As you were seeing from that last clip, we had bites, but I missed the fish. Just strike a little bit too early. So this is the rod. Just Jarvis Walker. The reel. Got 30-pound braid on it. Shakespeare, sorry, not that. See a nice little rod. That's nice. So that's why there goes in with the braid for that. And goes down into that. If you're thinking about the beads, they're just the glow in the dark beads, they attract the fish a bit easier. And we'll just go check the shrimp now. So we've hooked up to this another big carp. We're just going to bring him up to there to land him. Bring him up to the surface. Got another carp. Just come up to this other one we caught before. Not as big as the last one. But yeah, pretty big one. Okay, we're just going to leave our stuff down there. I'm going to go back up here, have a break, maybe have some lunch. Yeah, I'll see you when we get there. Okay, we've just moved to this spot in the river. Good spot. In this little hole. We've already caught 2 fish and yeah, we'll just come back to it and get another fish. Okay, we're just finishing up fishing, just packing up the motorbike, pushing it on. Caught a few carp. Yeah, that's about all. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment what you want me to do in the next videos, like lure reviews or stuff like that. And see you when I make a new video.